The Diamondbacks, coming off a shutout win over the Brewers, pick this one up. Scoreless game in the first, 2 on, 1 out. Jeremy Hellickson strikes out Chris Davis. Next batter up, down goes Scooter Gennett. Hellickson gets out of the inning, no damage done. In the second, Hellickson helping his own cause, flashing the leather, robbing Hector Gomez of a potential base hit. Nice play there. In the third, another jam, 2 on, 2 outs, but Hellickson strikes out Chris Davis. Bottom 4, we're still scoreless until Jake Lamb with a deep drive to center off Matt Garza. It goes off the wall. It's a triple. A run scores, 1-0 Arizona. In the sixth, they add to it. 2 on, 2 outs. Chris Owings with the rope to left. 2 runs come in. Arizona goes up 3-0. Bottom 7, Andrew Chafin facing Jonathan Lucroy. Check out Aaron Hill. Tremendous diving catch. Have another look. Full extension. Gets congratulations from his teammates. And the Diamondbacks win at 3-0, shutting out the Brewers for the second straight game. Up next, Arizona's in Seattle Monday, and the Brewers are in San Francisco.